Every journey holds what matters most. That's why the 2026 Hyundai Tucson is built to protect, not just passengers, but peace of mind. Its forward collision avoidance assist watches the road ahead, while lane keeping assist gently guides you home. Blind spot view monitor and rear cross-traffic avoidance keep unseen dangers from becoming close calls. And with safe exit warning, it even looks out for the ones stepping out of the car. Because safety isn't just a feature, it's a promise. With America's best 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The 2026 Hyundai Tucson, for every moment that matters. Experience safety for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.